In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip chart in TradingView. Flipping, or inverting. A chart is a simple but powerful way to look at price action from a fresh perspective. When you invert a chart, you're not changing the data, you're just reversing the vertical price scale so up becomes down and down becomes up. This is great for spotting patterns you might miss due to directional bias, comparing inverse relationships, or evaluating short ideas with the same clarity you usually apply to longs. With your chart open and the chart area active, the entire process comes down to a single shortcut. Press Alt+I on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, use Option+I. That's it. The view will instantly invert. Here's what you'll notice when it works. The price scale on the right flips, so moves that were rising will now appear to fall, and vice versa, while time still moves left to right as usual. Candles, lines, and indicators redraw to match the inverted perspective, and your drawings stay pinned to the same price levels, just mirrored along the vertical axis. Because this is a visualization change, alerts, data, and calculations remain untouched. You're simply seeing the same information through an inverted lens. If the shortcut doesn't seem to respond, make sure the chart pane is in focus. Click once on an empty area of the chart so the platform knows you're targeting it, not a watch list or text field. Also check that your browser or operating system isn't intercepting the key combo. For example, if you're editing a text label on the chart, Alt or Option+I might try to italicize text instead. Exit any text boxes, then try again on the chart itself. A quick tip for analysis. Use the inverted view to test your thesis. If a setup looks compelling to you in both the normal and flipped perspectives, that often hints at a stronger, cleaner structure. It can also help when comparing assets with inverse correlation by letting you see alignment more clearly. Remember, nothing about your data changes here. You're simply countering natural bias to make more objective decisions. To return to the standard view, use the same shortcut again. Alt+I or Option+I toggles the inversion on and off instantly, so you can flip back and forth as needed while you work. That's the whole trick. Press Alt+I to flip, and press it again to reset. Simple, fast, and surprisingly insightful. Thanks for watching, and happy charting. Bye.